Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. This is Styles by Char Michelle. I'm Charmaine. Today you're going to witness me attempting to make my very first wig. I bought a wig cap. I really like the headband style. What I'm going to do is remove the combs from this wig. I never use the combs, and I don't want them to get snagged in my hair or rub hair off anywhere or cause any friction. So I'll be removing all the combs from this wig cap. I'll be using the Chemo Wave hair, extension hair. And I start in the back with kind of bigger pieces, and I'll be spacing these pieces out about an inch apart. I don't want the wig to become too heavy or bulky, and everything in the back is going to be covered up by the hair on the top. So I start by finding a way to attach the hair that makes me most comfortable, that feels the most secure. So as you can see, starting out, I'm pulling the hair through the cap in a loop, and then when I loop the hair through, I'm only pulling one of the sections of hair through. I'm not pulling through both of them. This helps to secure the wig hair a little better. So as I go along up the back of the wig, my technique does change a little bit. At first I was pulling through both legs of the hair, both sections, through the loop. But this made it kind of bulky, and I wasn't liking that knot that was forming. You'll see me pull one side of the hair through the loop, but as I went on, I realized that this wasn't the most secure method I could be using. All I'm doing is pulling the loop through the net and then pulling one leg through the loop. So what I started to do is twist the hair and then pull both pieces through at the same time. So this wig is truly an experiment in what kind of attachment technique works the best. Here I am again, pulling the loop through, twisting the hair once or twice, and then pulling through both sides of the hair. This tends to bunch up the cap also a little more than I like and make it pucker. So I did end up changing my technique as I go along, and you'll see that. I'm just all over the place at first, y'all, after watching many videos and confusing myself, so I hope this isn't going to be too confusing. In the end, the technique I used towards the top of the cap is what really seemed to work the best. I'm just working my way up the middle section of the wig cap, and then I'll be doing the two sides. So now my pieces are getting smaller as I'm moving my way up. I pull the loop through, I twist the loop twice, and then I pull the hair through. I pull the loop through, I twist the loop twice, and then I pull the hair through. I still wasn't quite comfortable with the technique at this point. I'm pulling the loop through, twirling the loop 2 times, and then pulling both strands of hair through the loop. But I want to make sure that this wig is secure as possible. Okay, I'm continuing to work my way up the head, finding my rhythm, finding what makes me comfortable. I'm about halfway done. Most of this, all this side is done. I've got a little bit left on top, and I've got the other side to do. Here you'll see me switching to the technique I like a lot better. Thinner pieces of hair, pulling the loop through, twisting it and twirling it twice, and pulling one leg of the hair through the loop and tightening. But then I added a couple of more twists and pulled the one leg through the loop one more time. So I pull the loop through, twist the loop a couple times, 2 or 3 times, pull one leg of the hair through, and twist the loop once or twice more, and secure by pulling both ends. trying to make sure that both sides of the extension hair are even as I pull. I pull the loop through, twist the hair twice, pull one leg through, twist the loop twice more or 3 times, and pull the one leg through again. So this is what I wish I had done as I started at the bottom, because I'm a little concerned that those bottom loops will come undone. But if you watch towards the end of the video, I do have a little trick to help me secure those larger knots. So I'll let you watch as I complete this wig. I pull the loop through, twirl the loop a couple of times, pull one leg of the hair through, twirl the loop 2 more times, and pull one leg of the hair through again.
Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. The leaves change their color, fall is close and you will break my heart yet once again. Slow down, wish I just could stop. Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you, and I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, the leaves change their color and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Just wish I could. Wish I could stop time. Stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time.
I finally have my rhythm, I'm comfortable with the technique, and I'm finishing up the front with very fine pieces so that I can do the best I can to camouflage those knots. Here's the way that I help to secure the knots. I bring some water almost to a boil. It's very hot, and then I carefully turn the wig inside out, and I submerge the cap of the wig with the knotted hair in the hot water for about 45 seconds to a minute. And hopefully this will help seal that shape in of those knots so that I'll have less shedding and less loosening of the knots, especially near the nape where the knots were bigger. So this is something a little extra I thought of that might help, just to heat set those knots in the cap. Little extra trick. We'll see how it works.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me